friends, welcome back to our channel SlokhaChanting. Today we are going to show you how to make a homemade Play-Doh.
For this we need 1 full cup of maida, half cup of salt, water and oil. And we even need a big bowl.
And some paints.
Now let's start making the dough. We are going to take 1 full cup of maida. Shanu, add maida.
Yes, Sissy. Now we are going to add a half cup of salt.
Shanu, add half cup of salt. Mix salt and maida nicely.
Maida and salt are mixed well. Add 2 spoons of oil. Mix the oil well. Sissy, once you mix,
add 4 spoons of water.
yes, Sissy.
Now mix it well, Shanu. Keep adding the water and make it into a nice dough. Knead it until it's smooth and soft.
The dough is very soft and smooth like a Play-Doh. Now let's make small balls and add colors.
Mix the color and dough nicely. Now we are done with the green Play-Doh.
Now I'm going to add blue color. Now I'm going to take a small ball and add red color.
Now I'm done with the blue Play-Doh.
Sissy, make the red Play-Doh. Now I'm going to add yellow color.
Now I'm done with the yellow Play-Doh.
Now I'm going to make black Play-Doh.
Our soft and smooth Play-Dohs are ready.
Try this at your home. Do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.